Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how can you generate a promo video for your business using just AI tools. If you're on a business and you want to create some promotion video for your business which explains the services you are providing, then you can easily do that by using AI tools. For instance, this Health 2077, as you can see on the screen, I own this business and it's basically a CRM based system for doctors and clinics who can use this service to manage their patient data or create appointments, etc. Let me show you what I have created using AI, then I will explain the steps that I take to create the promo for my business.
Once upon a time, there lived a kind-hearted dentist named Dr. David. He had spent many years practicing dentistry, and his compassionate nature had earned him great respect in the community. However, despite his dedication and expertise, Dr. David had been struggling to manage his growing practice. He was spending long hours manually maintaining patient records and scheduling appointments, and it was taking a toll on his health and well-being. One day, while attending a dental conference in the city, Dr. David came across a booth for a revolutionary new software called Health 2077. He was intrigued by its potential to simplify his work and improve patient care, and he decided to learn more. As he spoke with the representative from Health 2077, Dr. David's eyes widened with excitement. He realized that with this software, he could manage patient records, schedule appointments, and track treatments and procedures, all from the comfort of his office. He eagerly signed up for Health 2077 and began using it in his practice. As he saw the benefits of the software unfold before him, Dr. David felt a sense of relief and joy that he hadn't experienced in years. No longer burdened by the tedious administrative tasks that had been consuming his time, Dr. David was able to focus on what he loved most, providing the highest quality care to his patients. He could now spend more time listening to their concerns, answering their questions, and creating personalized treatment plans tailored to their needs. Thanks to Health 2077, Dr. David's practice flourished. Patients noticed the difference in the level of care they were receiving, and they recommended him to their friends and family. Word of his compassionate and skilled dentistry spread far and wide, and soon people from all over the country were seeking his services. In the end, Dr. David knew that he had made the right choice in choosing Health 2077. It had not only improved the efficiency of his practice, but it had also brought him a renewed sense of joy and purpose in his work. He felt truly blessed to have found such a remarkable tool, and he looked forward to continuing to serve his patients with the highest level of care and compassion.
So first of all, go to ChatGPT. Basically, you need a story for your business or a brand. So explain a little bit about your brand to ChatGPT. Once you create a story for your business, this next step is to create a voice. For that, I use Google Cloud. Just go there, create an account, and after you create an account, you will see this dashboard. Just type speech and then click on the first result, wait for it, then go to synthesize. Here you will have to paste the text that you generated via ChatGPT. So let me copy this, let me paste it here. Once you paste all the text, then hit on the next button. Select your language, whatever language you want to convert your text into. Let's say it's English US for in my case. And the voice, now there are a bunch of voices, there are a couple of voices here. So let's go with the WaveNet B, and I do not know how the preview for this voice. For that, I'll show you how can you test it. Click on next. You can also change the speed, pitch, or volume gain. After that, click on continue and hit on synthesize button. Wait for a minute maybe, or maybe less than a minute. You will see the voice generated by the Google Cloud. Perfect. You can also listen it.
Once upon a time, In the era of the 19...
And you can also download it. Let's say if you do not like this voice, what you can do is go to this URL. It's google.cloud.com/text-to-speech/docs/voices. I will attach this link in the description below. Here you can see all the voices. So if you want to test, let's go to the English one. Where is the okay? It's English US and it's standard C. This is the code. Hit on the play button.
With cloud machine learning, your application...
If you think that this is the perfect voice, if you think this is a perfect voice accent for you, then you can go with this. Just remember this name, go back here, click on setup configuration, then change the voice from here. This is how you can generate the voice for your story. Now the third step, definitely you have generated the whole story, text-based story. You have created a voice for that story. Now you need an art for your story. Okay, for that I do recommend go to midjourney.com. This one is paid service. Okay, you have to pay to generate the art. There is also a free service which I will show you. So in my case, I use this service. As you can see that these dentist I generated using Midjourney, because I kind of like this tool. I have also created a whole video on this topic. To generate the art, if you have the subscription, click on these three dots, go to Discord, and here and in the Discord server of the Midjourney, join any newbie room, then click here, just type Imagine, and just whatever you want to generate an image. Okay, this is how you generate it. I have created a full video on this topic, so you can see that. Once you have all the graphics, then what you have to do, download DaVinci Resolve, because I use this one to generate the video. This is a point where you need some skills to edit your video. It has both paid and the free version. Download the free version and then edit out your video. This is how you will create a story for your brand. Last thing, definitely if you want to check out some free tools to create art, just go to this tool. It's called desgo.com. Let's say an old dentist smiling near the river. To model, I recommend to use this one because I have tested this software and I found this one is the results of this model is the best one. Click on the run. As you can see that there is a river, there is a dentist, he's smiling, but AI is really messed up while drawing hands. So you have to try it a couple of times to get the desired result. So that's it for this video. If you find it useful, then I really appreciate if you hit the like button. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.